Hey, what's going on today? We're going to be checking out the Colbor CL100. It's a $200 light. It has a CRI of 97. Color temperature, it's bicolor, so it has a color temperature of 2700 to 6500. It has 7 modes, so it has the regular light, candle, bonfire, pulsing, faulty bulb, flashing light, or like a camera light, and lightning. It weighs about 2.5 pounds. So let's open it up and see what we'll get inside. Alright, so right off the back it comes in a nice case. And this gray, I love this gray. All my backpacks are this color, so that works out. Has a nice little logo branding right there. It's actually reflective. We have some hooks on the sides here, the metal. Yeah, there's a handle on top. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so we get the little instruction manual. The light. Power cord. Remote. Strap for the side of the bag. The other part of the power cord. Reflector. That is it. So I will put this to the side. Alright, so this is the power cord, nothing fancy. Has a special adapter. So if you lose it, you're kind of out of luck. There we go. We have the remote right here. So it has the 60-second button. That will boost the light, I think, by 20%, it said. And only do it for a minute. We have the up and down of the brightness. The left and the right are the CCT, so that's the color. So you can change it. It has another CCT button. Not sure what that's for. Well, I know what it's for, but I don't know exactly what it does. Effects button. You could change the middle button is to change the rate of the effects, I'm assuming. And then we have dedicated 3200 and a dedicated 6500 button. So you could just, instead of scrolling through, you can just do that. Alright. Let's check out this reflector. It's nothing special, just a reflector. But nice metal. Alright, so here we have the light. Have the logo on both sides. On top, so the housing is made of plastic, and up here on top this is all metal. So this is like the heating element. On the bottom we have the adapter. So we have that there. We actually have a slot for an umbrella right here, so you can plug your umbrella in. Okay. On the back we have the on and off button, mode / turbo button. We have a knob. It's a clickable knob. Next we have a group button and a fan button, so you can control the level of the fan or the mode of the fan. Let's plug it in really quick. Alright, so let's turn it on. Oh, there we go. Right there, you can see the light. Alright, I'm going to bring it all the way down to 0. Alright, so right here, like I said, we have the on and off button. We have the mode button. I don't know if you can see that. That's the candle mode. So we'll go through those really quick. This is bonfire. This is breathing. So faulty bulb. This is flash. So like a photography flash. This is lightning. This is the CCT, so you can change the color. Oh, go back to... So if you push the knob in, and then you can change the color. So right there we're at 2700. I don't know if you can see the color. There you go. If you push it back in, obviously you can change the intensity. So that's the 27, so I'll show you this is better. I forgot to make it brighter. So we're at 28, 29, 350, 32, 34, 38, 39, 41, 44, 48, 51, 54, 56, all the way to 65. So I'll lower that back down. Next we have the group button, so if you just have more than one of these lights. And then the fan button, so that way you can turn it on. I don't know if you can hear it. So basically on and off. Alright, so here you go. It has, I don't know if you can see it, but it has smart mode. So that's smart mode. So when the light gets hot enough, it'll automatically turn on by itself. Have quiet mode, so it'll constantly run like on a lower speed. And then smart mode. So smart and quiet are the only two options. Yeah. Alright, so that was a look at the Colbor CL100. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Conclusion, for 200 bucks, not bad. It's very small, so you can definitely bring it with you. The fan's not loud either, because most of the times you're not going to have the fan right up on the microphone. So I would definitely recommend this. I'm going to use it a little more. So yeah, if you have, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching. Really quick, I forgot to talk about this. Does have a Boeing mount, so you can add your reflectors and all that other good stuff. There is a switch right up here. That's to release the accessory. So like normally you just boom, put it in, it locks in. Then you just push this button down, twist, pop it off. So yeah, that's that. So really quick, we'll go through the modes again, so you can see them a little better. So we'll start off with, it has turbo mode. So right now it's at 100. If you hold this button down, it'll give you about 20% more, but only for 60 seconds. So let's try that. I don't know if you noticed the difference or not. It's very subtle. So next we have the candle. So that's candle. Next we have bonfire. Next we have like a breathing. Here we have a faulty bulb. You could change the rate of it, so it goes up to 5. Next we have flash. So all these you can change the color. And if you click again, you could change the rate. So 1 to 5. It'll flash a little more. Next we have lightning. You can't change the color of the lightning. The rate obviously 1 through 5 again. And that is it.